What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist on day 2 of Vlogmas. Let's talk about this cheap, ghetto fabulous, rigged up desk that I created for about $200 on Amazon. So you'll see two desktops or two tops here to give me about that's about 1 inch of thickness on my desktop, and this is velcroed together, and this is velcroed to the bottom. This part, the mechanical legs, were $100, and each of these were two. So this is two desks, and it also had a part that ran under the desk to like cover your feet and run into it. That wood is on the top. I made a monitor stand or monitor riser out of it. So eventually I'm going to be replacing this with two risers that I recently purchased that has USB connections and all type of stuff there. So that's going to be coming on a further down into this Vlogmas. And I have these cheap lights on top of my monitors. Check that out. Give me a little light over here. Turn the light on this one. And this is very cheap stuff here. So that's what my desk is looking like. About $250 worth of shit here. It is a standing desk, like I said. And it could go real high. And that's my new computer build over there. I have to run new water cooling, or I'm gonna have to reroute my glass tubing from the distribution core, or the reservoir with the distribution wires into the CPU. What is this damn shit called? CPU coolant or water block, ice block, they call it. You know, they have different names. I had a Euro cooler at first, but I replaced it with Corsair. This is the Corsair, and that's the graphics card, a cheap 4070 graphics card. I really wish I would have gotten either the 4070 Ti or the 4090, but I paid $500 for this shit, and that's the godlike gangster motherboard and the gangster computer. That's coming for another video. It's built, it's running, got Windows 11 installed on this shit, and it's ready to roll. I'm not using it right now because there isn't any water cooling on the CPU, and it'll probably just crash soon when I turn it on. And I also unplugged the CPU so I wouldn't overheat anything. So that's the ice block installed, and that's the distribution core. Got a water pump in here, and I also have the little screen that comes with the godlike keyboard. I mean, the godlike motherboard that shows that you can actually turn power the computer on and do all type of shit right from this little panel. I'm gonna take this out of here and set it on my desk. And I filmed this video twice. First time it was low, and the second time my mic died on me. So I mean, the battery in the mic died. And this is the AX100 Sony camera and shit. And that's it for the Savage Scientist with a quick tour of my desk. And you can see all my shit is broken and destroyed. Keyboard, fucked up keyboard. But this Iron Mountain keyboard is real good. So I'm going to talk more about this in a further blog too. So this is the Savage Scientist. Till I make my next video. Peace out.